The pose we're going to be looking at is Warrior 2. So we're going to take the right foot forward and the left foot back. And my right toes are pointing forward, my left toes are pointing to the left. So there's quite a lot of schools of thought around a Warrior 2. Some schools of thought will say have the inside edge of your foot parallel or in line with the center of your back foot. Some people will say the inside edge of the foot in line with the heel. For me, it depends on what your hips are like. So there's lots of different ways that you can do this. I'd be more interested in having this front knee above the ankle. So if you feel like your knee is dropping in slightly, you might need to bring your foot a little bit further in to try keep this knee above the ankle. So we want to think about this inner thigh almost opening up towards the ceiling. Belly button is lifting, tailbone is lengthening, and if this feels like too much on the back leg, you can bring your left heel slightly back. It'll just give you a little bit more space in the hips. Belly lifts, tailbone lengthens, and the hands come out in line with the shoulders, palms facing down. The tendency here will be to lean forward. So what I was to think about is just slightly lean back so the shoulders are above the hips. The gaze is over the right fingertips, the fingertips are alive, and the shoulders are soft. To take a little bit more into this, as you inhale, imagine the tips of your ears lifting, and as you exhale, feel your hips sink. If it's getting easier, try something new.